Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SONY INZONE H9 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily do a reset of them. This reset does not include pairing list. At first you have to plug your USB Type-C cable, which is connected to a charger power brick, to your USB Type-C port over here, and now you have to hold power button and Bluetooth button for more than 8 seconds. As you can see, our restart has begun. Now we have to wait a few seconds. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.